Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest urgent alert news of Dogecoin. Absolutely, my friends. This video gonna be special for everyone. Keep watching this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. So my friends, the latest price update of the Dogecoin in this time in the market, you can see here 0.389999 USD dollar. That is the latest update of Dogecoin in the market. On the other side, if we look the price change occurring in the Dogecoin, so the Bitcoin BTC price of Dogecoin is 0.00001039 USD dollar. A lot of people ask me questions about Dogecoin that can hit a 1 USD dollar or not. So my friends, there is no doubt that they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. In the start of new month, there is a lot of chances they take a jump, and now it is the start of month, so maybe there's chances they take a jump and they hit a 1 USD dollar, my friends. Anyways, so let's see the price update. You can see on the price change occurring in the Dogecoin is absolutely this time going very good. Last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 1 week price change is going positive, so I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occurring in the Dogecoin, my friends. Let's see, my friends, the latest update of Dogecoin on the price chart. My friends, the alert news is that I know in a few hours, in the next few hours, there is a chances to the price of Dogecoin falls down. There is chances, my friends. Maybe they take a jump, but there is chances to they falls down in the few next hour. So you have to hold, my friends. Don't decide to sell in these falls, my friends. That is a temporary falls. After some passage of time, they will again take a jump. So please hold. You can see here now on the chart, you can easily understand falls down, after falls take a jump, and now again it's time to falls down, my friends. So in a few hours, the dumping time of the Dogecoin are coming. So be ready and be active, be alert from be safe from loss, my friends. Don't decide to sell if you sell, so you are in the loss. If you hold, absolutely you will get profit in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. What's your opinion? What's your prediction about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.